channel. Talaga ba? Walang kahit ano. Para maganda ako pag tulog ako. Sleeping Beauty. And I'm so happy with it. Unlike other brow pencils, the thing that I don't like about most brow pencils, yung pag kinanon mo siya, kailangan mo diinan.
How will you handle it?
Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. Tonight, I wanted to film something kasi matutulog na ako so gusto ko na magkilay. Talaga ba? Walang kahit anong makeup pero gusto ko magkilay ni tita bago matulog. Why? Para maganda ako pag tulog ako. Sleeping Beauty. But kidding aside, I wanted to give this Téviant Brow Mate a review. I've been using this for a while and I'm so happy with it. I am using the natural brown. Tatlo yung shades nila, but this is the one that I like the most. So yung dulo is brush and the other end is a retractable color. Ayan. So for 295, medyo marami kang product na makukuha. What I like about this is it glides easily. So, mabilis siyang kumapit sa kilay mo. Unlike other brow pencils, the thing that I don't like about most brow pencils, yung pag kinanon mo siya, kailangan mo diinan. Tapos, hindi even yung pag-spread ng color. With this, it's very easy to use. And napansin ko na matagal siya sa skin. Like, iba, for example, napaganyan ka lang. Wala na, nag-smudge na siya. Hanggang dyan ang kilay mo. But with this one, okay siya. And by the way, ang aking ang Mara hair. Sobrang gulo ng buhok ko. Nakakaloka. Okay. Before we start, let's brush my kilay. I'm using the mirror that they gave us also. Us talaga, so share tayo dito Ina-allergy ako. Sino dito may allergic rhinitis? Ang hirap, no? Char. Okay, so here, I retract just very, very little para hindi rin maubos yung pencil right away. And of course, hindi mabalik. The way I do it, I start from this. So, iiwanan ko yung 1/4 going in. Kasi yun, dapat medyo natural lang siya. This color, the natural brown, I would say works perfectly well with dark hair. So, kung blondie na ka, you need a lighter shade. And they have naman a lighter shade also. Okay, so with mine, I'm just outlining my hair. I'm following the natural shape of my kilay. And what I do with the dulo, kasi alam mo, hindi ko talaga makita yung dulo. Ang hirap yung tingnan, diba? What I do with the dulo, dinodrawinin ko siyang ganyan. Tapos, dinadaanan ko siya ng finger ko para maging sharp yung end niya. So there, I'll only do the right side para makita niyo yung comparison ng with and without. So yan, naka-outline na tayo. This is wala. Ito yung may outline. So again, I only started 3/4 of my kilay. I started under and then over dun sa taas. Ayan yung itsura niya. Outline lang to. Okay, so now we will fill it in. The way I'm doing it is by strokes. I'm following the direction of my hair. So, on this part, yung hair ko pababa. So, I'm just following the strokes of my hair here, yung growth, para hindi siya magmukhang drawn talaga. I want it to look as natural as possible. Mga malang kilay ko, bakit ba? Sorry. Ayan. And then with here naman, if you notice, kung ito pababa, yung hair ko, here, pataas. So, I will do that here. I feel ill. No, I don't want to feel ill. I'll fill in following the strokes of my hair. Yan. Okay, if you notice, kahit na dito lang tayo nag-apply ng liner, dito, hindi naman siya ganun kaputol, pero it's very light. So, we have to fill it in just a little. The way I will do it, I will not line under. I will just apply strokes. Following the growth of my hair again. Para mukhang natural and bushy lang yung hair ko. There you go. Diba? Ang ganda. And, I'm very OC. So, syempre, pag nagamit ka niyan, magkakaroon ng dumi-dumi yung ano, diba? Ayan o. I always clean after before you put it back on the cap. That's the way to preserve your makeup and all kind of makeup, ha? Okay, so let's brush it now. Ang ganda ng mirror nila, oh. Téviant. And then, in front, it says, My Face, My Rules. Okay. So, using the brush, ito brush lang siya, there's no color. So, with the brush lang tayong ganyan. Just to blend it all in. And, since yung hair ko naman, hindi naman stubborn, and also, kakulay naman ng mascara, yung hair ko, yung hair ko sa kilay, ha, I will not apply brow gel anymore. Kasi, blended naman siya perfectly. Okay, meron lang ako ditong butas, which I want to fill. So, yun, after applying, make sure that you go back to check kung may butas ba or wala, para wala namang butas yung kilay mo, diba? Lalo na when you brush, kasi when you brush, minsan natatanggal yung product, sumasama dun sa brush. Okay. So this is a very quick and easy kilay routine that I do using Téviant. And you can find Téviant on Shopee and Lazada. And this product is for $295 only. This is with, and this is without. Very natural lang siya. Mas refined lang talaga to. If you look at ito, hindi siya ganun ka-shouting na, Hoy, may kilay ako! Ito talagang natural, soft lang. Ano lang, dalagang Pilipina, char. That's it. Thanks for watching, everyone. See you again on my next vlog. Good night. Mwah!